Hi everyone, we are continuing the ROS2 Basics series with this second episode on installing ROS2 Jazzy. To follow the series, I recommend installing Ubuntu on a dual boot. You can also use a virtual machine, but you may have performance issues when you are going to simulate a robot in Gazebo. If you're interested in tutorial on installing dual boot, let me know in comments. This is the official documentation of ROS2. It contains a huge amount of useful resources, so you should take a look at it when you are looking for detailed information on everything related to ROS theory. The link is available in the description. This documentation table shows the different versions of ROS2, and the one in green are the distributions still maintained. I recommend installing ROS2 Jazzy with Ubuntu 24 or ROS2 Humble with Ubuntu 22 because they are the two LTS distributions still active. In this tutorial, we are going to install Jazzy distribution because it's the most recent LTS and the one that will be supported the longest. It will also provide new interesting functionalities compared to Humble. At this stage, the choice between the two distributions doesn't make much difference, as most of the code running on ROS2 distribution also work on a newer one. You can find in the description the link to the installation page of ROS2 Jazzy documentation. This page explains step by step the different way to install ROS2 and the different OS supported. I advise you to choose Ubuntu installation as this is the most standard. The method we are interested in is the Debian package installation. This is the recommended and simplest installation method. We are going to do it by following the documentation step by step. We start by updating the locals, which are packages that manage the language and encoding of your Ubuntu distribution. After we install software properties command, which add very useful scripts to manage PPA keys. We also add the Universe package to the list of repositories that can be used by APT. Universe package are open source package maintained by the community. Then we add the GPG key for ROS2 APT. We are also installing ROS2 development tools so that we can build our packages and those we are going to install. We perform an update and an upgrade before launching the installation. There are several packages to install ROS2. We are going to do the desktop installation, which is the most complete version. As well as installing ROS2, this will install demonstration packages and additional tools, such as RVs, which is extremely useful during development. Once the installation is complete, we can source our environment. When you run the source command opt ROS Jazzy setup.bash, you configure your current terminal session to work with Jazzy ROS distribution by setting the necessary environment variable. After running this command, you will be able to use ROS tools and commands specific to your ROS installation in this terminal session. Writing this command to bash rc will allow you to use ROS2 in every new terminal you open. You can use this command to do so. Putting the command to your bash rc only works if you have only one version of ROS2 installed on your machine. Now that ROS2 is installed and sourced, you can run the node installed by default to check that your installation is working. In a first terminal, you can run the Talker node from the demo node CPP package, and in the second terminal, the node listener in the demo node py package. You should see the same result in your terminal. We will explain how this node works in future episodes. If you get the same result as I did, then your ROS2 installation is working. In the next episode of ROS2 Basics, we will create the workspace and the packages we will use to develop our Python and C++ node during this series. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to stay informed about ROS2 Basics series and upcoming video. If you have any questions or topic to suggest, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Goodbye.